is your Luci Pro solar inflatable light and mobile charging. So it's a 150 lumen light, cool white LED, withstands up to 150 pounds of pressure. It's lightweight at 4.4 ounces, and the waterproof rating is IP67. So here we go. Look at that rascal, nice and compact like a pancake. Here you see your solar panel right here. You got your solar panel. You got this button here where you can check your battery power, and here you've got your on button. You got a set of snaps here on your strap, so you can use that to strap it to something if need be, hang it. Right here you have your USB out. And then on this side you have another little handle and the valve that you inflate it. So you blow it up. Here on the inside you see all the LEDs right there, and it has a mirror. You can use it for signaling if need be. The other cool thing about the mirror is when you're blowing it up, you can see how ridiculous you look with your lips pressed up against that thing while you're blowing it up. Obviously it's really bright out here, so I'll show you some clips of using this in the dark, obviously, so you can see how well it works. You've got 4 modes. Turn it on, you're at low. Mash it again, you're at a medium setting. Mash it again, you're at the high setting. Mash it again, and you have a slow flash setting. So this thing puts out a lot of light. It's very, very good. It's a perfect lantern. It floods light very, very well. You just blow it up, charge it up during the day, sitting out in the sun, and it's yee-haw. Great for in a tent, great for in a hammock or anything like that, and of course, great for just hanging up in camp to illuminate an area while you prepare food or whatever it is that you're doing in camp. And of course, you can charge a phone if need be with the battery bank that's inside this lantern right here. So what we've got here is a little solar panel. It's got some alligator clips here, I like to call them. This thing's pretty cool to keep on a battery, you know, of a vehicle that you may not use very often. It's just sitting out in the yard. You can keep that on there, so when the sun's out, it can be slowly keeping a good charge on your battery. So it comes like this here. You got pretty decent amount of wire right there. Here's your alligator clips. It's got a plug in here. Then of course, we've got the solar panel here, and it's flexible, as you can see here. So that's kind of nice. So they say that this is weather, water, and corrosion resistant. So of course it's perfect to be left outside. And they say that this can continuously charge 12-volt battery systems. First thing we're going to do is we're going to plug this guy up like so. Simple as that. Break out my old fluke meter. So we're going to put it on DC voltage, or attach my leads to the positive and negative here, and we'll see what we got. Ready? So right now it's sending out 19.87 volts DC, and that's on a cloudy, overcast situation. That's actually pretty freaking good. Oh, it's up to 20 volts. That's actually pretty good. Here the sun's coming out a little bit better right now. Let me get out of the shadow. It's got nice size grommets here, so you can use zip ties or use different ways to fasten this to a boat or to a tractor or heck to a window or something like that. You can get some suction cups, mount some suction cups to these, stick it on a window, flip it over, see what happens. Still getting 14.9. So yeah, that works pretty freaking good right there. Sun's coming back out. I don't know if you can see that. 19.8. So again, this thing's great for putting on your four-wheeler, putting on a trolling motor battery, putting on an old tractor or something like that that sits out that you may not use all the time, but you want to be sure that you've got a good battery in it when you do decide to fire it up. So I think it's pretty cool. I got a little bit different setup than usual. We got some chicken, we got some peppers and onions and some mushrooms and some olive oil, but I got this thing right here in the mail from GoSun. It's a portable solar oven. I have not used it at all, so we're fixing to take it out of the box, check it out, and cook us up some lunch, see how well it works. Yeah. And so here it is, the GoSun Go. And you can see there's your tube, there's your mirrors, if you will. So on the inside of this, there's this little deal right here that you pull up that will help hold it open. And we've got the tube here. you put your food in. This piece here so that you can prop it up better. Right here is a GoPro type mount. So that piece locks in like that. So you set it like this. You can fill this tube up with liquid water. If you wanted to heat up water, you could use the sun to heat up water. All right, so now I want to add some more food. Clearly, I think I've got a little bit more than I'm gonna take some chicken. Already got some seasoning on here. Get some mushrooms in there. We'll add a little bit of, I say a little bit, it might end up being a lot. That'll work. Oh heck, why not? Put a little bit more seasoning to it. There we go. So we want to slide that in here. Just like that. So we got our food in there. This is directing the sun rays to the tube here, and that's going to cook our food. We'll give it 30 minutes or so and come back and check on it. I'll see y'all in a few minutes. Yeah, so it's been 30 minutes. Let's see how we're looking over here. Pull it out just a little bit. See what we got going on here. Oh yeah, it's a cooking. Take one of these pieces of chicken out here. Hot. I think it's done, folks. I wonder if that bigger piece is done. Yeah. It's done. Peppers, onions, and mushroom. Oh yeah, that's on time. Got yourself a little meal there, y'all.